Hey, I'm Sally Jeter, EDM 310, and I'm going to show you the basics of a smartboard. The first thing you need to know is how to turn the smartboard on, and that's going to be this key right down here on the bottom left. Since it takes the smartboard a second to warm up, we went ahead and turned the smartboard on. To turn it off, you hit the key twice. And once you turn the board on, you want to go ahead and collaborate it, which just makes it easier for you to use it. And by doing that, you put two fingers right here, hold it down, let it go, and then you just want to touch each of the targets, just like this. And this will collaborate the smartboard, and now you're ready to go. All right, the next thing we're going to do is work with Smart Notebook. Just going to touch on this twice. Oops, there we go. Give it a second to open up. There's a lot of different projects you can do with Smart Notebook, and the first one I'm going to do is just show you how to use text. One way to use text is to have the marker. You hold the marker, and I write up here whatever text I want to write. Excuse my handwriting. If you're a child or have really bad handwriting like me, you can type it, and then you touch it right here. You can say, recognize EDM 310, and it will fix it for you. And then I believe you can touch it and move it wherever you would like on the screen. Another way to do text on the SmartBook is to touch the keyboard right here, and you can type it in. You can, just like a keyboard on a computer, I can do capital letters just like this. And then I have my numbers up top, EDM 310, and I think I hit enter. No. What do I hit, Lindsay? Just tap out of it?
The X.
X out of it, and it's the same thing. You can touch this here, and you can move it wherever you would like along the board. And that's how you use text on the smartboard. What we're going to do with the smartboard is objects. Right now I'm pushed on the arrow. I'm going to touch this objects button right here, and there's several objects I can choose from. I'm going to choose the square. So now that I've touched the square, I'm going to put my finger on the smartboard and drag it out, make the square as large or as small as I want. Once I've done this, I'm going to hit the arrow again. I'm going to touch right here and go to Properties. Once I go to Properties, it'll allow me to fill effects, line style, animations, and other things. I'm going to click Fill Effects. Solid fill is what I'm going to do, and I'm going to do it green. Okay, so now I've done that. The next thing I do, you see my square here is green. Next thing I'm going to do is I can go to Object Animation and go Type, and it can fade in, fade out, flying in or out. I will let it shrink and grow. I can go speed, I can go slow right here, and you can see it kind of shrink and grow. And I can click when that's going to happen, and I'm going to click when the object is clicked. So here's my object right here. Once I touch it, you'll see it'll shrink and grow. What to do on the smartboard is show you how to clone. So we have an infinite clone. So here's my green square again. I can click right here, hit infinite cloner, and once I touch the edge of this, right? I touch the edge. Isn't that what I do?
Yeah, maybe not right there, but like on the side.
There you go. The black line.
There it goes. There we go. On the black line, I can touch that, clone, bring it down, and I can do this as many times as I would like. So that's the infinite cloner with the smartboard. The next part of the smartboard I'm going to show you is the multimedia. You come right here, click on this. I can go down to interactive and multimedia right here, touch it. There's all different kind of options and different things we can do in here. I'm going to go ahead and drag this guitar over and bring it onto my screen. Once I do that, I can just tap on it. You have the sound of a guitar. The smartboard is ink layering, and how that happens is I pick up my marker and I can write right here, and you'll see where it'll come up. I can put my pen down or not put my pen down, it doesn't matter. I hit Smart Ink, I hit Capture, and it takes my image back to Smart Notebook. It should. We'll try that one more time. There we go. It takes it just a second to download, and then it'll pull the image up right into my Smart Notebook.